everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a great little 1968 Dodge Dart GT. Very cool car, guys. I actually sold this car to a gentleman here locally 6 years ago, but I originally bought it from a guy locally that had just restored this car. There's actually very few miles, couple thousand miles on the restoration. The guy that I had originally bought it from had just restored the car and then was actually moving out of state. So I got it, sold it here to a local guy who's had it ever since. Great little car. He's done a few little things to it that are pretty cool. He changed the wheels on it. He put the Rally wheels on it. Minus the trim rings. He liked that look. I'll tell you one thing, great running and driving car. It is a true GT. It's got 340 in it now. I think it was a factory 318 car if I remember correctly. Dual chrome mirrors. He's added disc brakes. Automatic car, 727 torqueflite automatic. A lot of this car only had 80-some thousand miles on it when they started. Again, you can see the, most of the trim's actually original. You can pick at that, but it's got gorgeous medium gray metallic paint. It's got black vinyl interior in it. I love the red tail stripe. Again, you can pick some of this stuff, but nice car. Bumpers were replaced. Stone peck there, but like I say, just a nice car. Dash is nice in there. Pretty paint, really cool color combo. Original glass. You can see a couple little scratches in it, a couple little blemishes on your paint, but nice car, good car. Great car to drive and have some fun. It's got a little cammed up 340 in it. It's got a Mopar Performance cam in it. You see car's nice and straight down the side, sits good. Light, little mark on your paint there, but like I say, good car, hits the road good, nice driver, good solid straight body. Again, he has added the power front disc brakes to it, and he put the vacuum canister on it too because of the cam, so it's got full vacuum to the brakes at all times. J-heads, again, it's 340. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock intake, Mopar Performance camshaft, J-heads. It's got headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and you can see the vacuum canister. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. It is a factory air car. The pump is growling, guys, so he took the belt off. It's going to need a new pump. I am not going to mess with that. It's 8 to 12 weeks to get a compressor, guys. Mopar radiator. Hooker headers. It's got great sound to it. Really hits the road good. Here's your original fender tag. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. And we might get some sunshine here. pick that A-pillar chrome. Dual chrome mirrors. This is a remote mirror, actually. Definitely new door handles. They've changed the door rubbers. I've ordered new mats for the car. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory dash in it. I'm not real hip on this. He wanted original seat belts in it. You know, those are green. You know, I would have been fine with just putting some aftermarket black ones in it, but he wanted originals in it. Can't say I'm real hip on that. Headliner's good. Dash is nice. 82,973 on your odometer, but like I say, that's the original miles. It's got a couple thousand miles on the restoration. It's got aftermarket tach and gauges, Pioneer radio. It's dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 with a 323 sure grip in the rear. Factory jack and spare. Comes with a car cover for it. It's all body color in here. Again, spares in there. I love the red tail stripe. It's got a good sound to it. Oop. Show you underneath. Sorry guys, got some pictures of the bottom too. It's clean underneath. Yeah, like I said, I'm not real hip on those green seat belts, but they are factory. That's what he wanted in it. Seats are nice. Dash is in good shape. Gauges are nice and clean. A few little marks on your console there. Go ahead and fire it up. Okay, dual chrome mirrors. Nice little cam to it. Plenty of performance. Again, if you want the air to work, you'd either send that compressor out to be rebuilt, or what I would do would be just, you know, put a modern, you know, you can Vintage Air or Southern Air can do a compressor. The problem is, guys, parts are so hard to get right now. Tach works, gauges. Oh, all the gauges work even up there? Okay, yep, all the gauges work. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Nice little sound to that 340. Radio works, blower motor does work, the heat works. Again, your gauges down there are functional. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.